Hey everyone, this is Libby Flanagan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a story that a lot of people have been asking to see and hear more about. So today I'm going to be showing you guys all the footage of that baby bird that I found a few weeks ago and showing you how he grew up and how it ended. So stay tuned to the very end for a very cute surprise. So we found this bird, let's see, it must have been about 2 weeks ago now, and he was in his nest still. So check him out. He's so sweet, and you can watch the mama come and feed him from time to time. It is really cool. Hi, buddy. Hello. And then just a few days after that, he fell out of the nest, or maybe he jumped out of the nest. There was a pretty big storm, so he might have gotten knocked out. Our baby has jumped out of the nest. There he is. So he is a brown Thrasher. He blends in really well with these leaves, which is good for him. And I see mom and dad coming. They'll still feed them even after they jump out of the nest. And then I followed him for the next couple of days, I think about 7 days, and watched him grow up and develop, and he was kind of just hanging out in that area, and his mom was coming to feed him. Okay, so the mom is here. Mama just fed him a little worm. All right, everyone, this is day 2 on the ground for our little brown Thrasher. He or she is definitely developing a lot more wing feathers. He is looking really good, nice and plump. Nala is starting to get a little curious, so I need to get out of here. I just ate. Nice big dinner. You can really see the wing feathers I was talking about, so it's really good to see that those are developing properly. All right, we are on day 3 on the ground for our little guy. It's looking pretty good. Even more wing feathers than before. Nice and plump. He's gotten up into some higher branches, so I don't know if that means anything. He has a really cool pattern on his belly. We'll see if the mom is still coming to feed. Should be looking for some flight today, so we'll see. Bye, buddy. Speckle. All right, here we are for day 4 on the ground for our little guy. He is looking really good. You can see all these wing feathers right here. He stuck his wing out a little bit ago, and it's looking pretty good, pretty well developed. Definitely has like a full beak going now, so he should be ready to start hunting soon. So he's looking really good in terms of all that. Hopefully we see some flight today. I know I've been saying that for a while. He's gotten better at hiding, I will say. Hopefully we see some flight today, because he's been out of the nest for quite some time. Mom and Dad are still hanging around. Ooh, oh gosh. Where'd he go? He's way over there already. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna leave him alone because I'm afraid I've stressed him out. He accidentally got on the wrong side of this pallet that we had to block off our dog. Uh-oh. Mom's coming to the rescue, I think. I hear her. There we go. Back to safety in the bush. She definitely has some food for him. Look at these bushes. This is what it looks like when the mom is like hunting for worms and grubs and stuff. Trying to find something underneath all these leaves. A crazy fun fact to share with you. Hopefully our little bird will cooperate. Baby birds will pant. Just like how a dog pants when it's hot. So he's sitting there with his mouth open because it is so hot outside. All right, everyone, welcome to day 7 for our little baby Thrasher. Good morning. Did you get rained on yesterday? We got just a little bit of rain yesterday, but he looks good. Hello. You, my dude, you are a chubby bird. So this is just one like late afternoon. My husband was outside mowing the grass and I just decided to go out there, which I don't typically do. Yeah, I'm gonna go out and hang out and say hi and see what's going on. And when I walked out there, I saw the baby bird on the garden fence. So check out what happens next. Guys, we might be about to witness flight. The baby bird is on the garden fence. I just saw the mom, like, come check it out, like, be like, you can do it, baby. I feel like I'm watching a first steps video, but you know, like bird version. You can do it. Go, buddy, go. Don't look back. Wow, I am amazed. Good job, buddy. That was so good. I don't know what you're gonna do now. Fly away. Bye, buddy. Have a good life. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this baby bird grow up. It was really cool to see. I'm really glad I get to share it with all you guys. So please like and subscribe to this channel. Next week, I'll be doing a video on how to water plants around your house. So even if you don't have a garden, I know a lot of people have a hard time like keeping houseplants alive and thriving and want some advice on that. So next week's video will be about that. So please subscribe so that you don't miss it. Thanks for hanging out.